Hi there mga kabeshis! Updi niyo ako subong kay kadtuan ta ang newest branch sang Sharetea sa may GTMall Pavia, Iloilo City. Good news ini sa mga taga Pavia nga hindi na sila magkadto sa syudad sang Iloilo para makatilaw sang Sharetea milk tea. Hapos lang siya tultulon kay tupad lang sa sang Mercury Drugstore kaglapit sa may Jollibee. Hi there mga kabeshis! It's me again, your Beshi Geramar, and you are watching Hello mga Beshis Channel! So for today's video mga besh, I'm here at Sharetea GTMall Pavia, Iloilo. So let's go! Here at Sharetea GTMall Pavia, they follow safety precautions. Wearing face masks, face shields, and sanitizing always is a must. With friendly staffs and good customer service. Very clean and cozy ambience. Well clean and organized working area. They also offers snacks. Mojito mocktails. Dalgona pearl milk tea. Quality and the best milk tea that will satisfy your cravings. So see you